Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a listing on Grailed. Here are the steps to delete a listing on Grailed. The first thing to do is to launch your web browser and go to www.grailed.com. Click the login button if prompted, which is located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email and password or use Google/Apple credentials if you signed up that way. After logging in, you will be redirected to your home page or dashboard, which we have in here. Hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on your profile name. Now, your profile name, clicking on that is going to take you to your listing page. Now, in your listing page, go ahead and scroll through to locate the item you wish to delete. Click on the item to view its details on the listing page. On the item's listing page, look for a button or link labeled Edit, Delete, or Remove Listing depending on your current interface of Grailed. This option is typically found near the item description or at the bottom of the page. If you see an Edit button, you may need to click it first to access the Delete option. If you see the Delete button, just go ahead, or if you see Remove Listing, just go ahead. Once you have accessed the Edit mode or directly deleted the listing by clicking on Delete option, a confirmation dialog may pop up asking you to confirm that you want to delete the listing. This is to prevent accidental deletions. If prompted, confirm your action by clicking Confirm or OK to proceed with deleting the listing. After confirming, you should be redirected back to your active listing page. Verify that the item has been removed from your listings. I'd like you to know that deleting a listing is permanent and you cannot recover it once deleted. So if you think you may want to release the item in the future, consider editing the listing instead of deleting it. Ensure you communicate with any potential buyers if they have shown interest in the item before deletion to maintain a good reputation on the platform. That's the complete process for deleting the listing on Grailed. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.